Hello everyone! Today I will share a quick and so very delicious baby potatoes recipe that can be used as a side dish and in an incredible omelette recipe that I will share with you next week. I hardly ever use my pressure cooker, but it works great for this recipe. So obviously you will need a pressure cooker, but the secret to those delicious baby potatoes are the herbs and spices. So here they are: 1.5 to 2 pounds of washed baby potatoes, 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup or half a cup of chicken broth. 1/4 cup will make the potatoes firmer and half a cup will give you softer potatoes. A generous pinch of Himalayan salt, a normal pinch of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of dried dill, half a teaspoon of dried basil, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and here is a crazy one, half a teaspoon of fenugreek. This is a very popular Bulgarian spice, and I think the only place you can get it is a Bulgarian grocery store if you have one near. I did make the potatoes without it once and they were still very delicious, but if you guys know a place where the herb can be found in your state, please share the information in the comments. In the description I will put a link to the Bulgarian grocery store in Phoenix, Arizona. Alright, start by adding the potatoes to a large bowl and sprinkle them with olive oil so all the herbs can stick to them. Next, sprinkle all the herbs and spices: salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, dried dill, dried basil leaves, dried oregano, and the fenugreek. By the way, this is the Bulgarian spelling of fenugreek. If you end up going to a Bulgarian store, it's pronounced sminduch. I hope you find it because it is a wonderful herb. Next, using 2 rubber spatulas, mix the potatoes with all the herbs and olive oil and make sure they're well covered. When done, place the potatoes in a pressure cooker and add either 1/4 cup of chicken broth or half a cup of chicken broth. As I said earlier, 1/4 cup gives you firmer potatoes and half a cup makes them a bit softer. When ready to cook, lock the lid, set the timer to 5 minutes and set the keep warm function off. Once the finished signal sounds, carefully release the steam, and when the release is complete, carefully unlock and open the lid. The potatoes are perfectly cooked and ready to serve. Next week, I will share a very special omelette I make with those potatoes. It's a masterpiece. Meanwhile, if you like this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.